This clever gardener suggests burning holes instead of cutting them. To some, a cable spool is just junk. To others, it's the perfect chicken coop. How can you clean garden paths with a lawnmower? You're about to find out. Turns out, a leaf blower can also help with watering and spraying plants. With this approach, making planting holes turns into something fun. The voice you selected does not support this language. Please click the upper right corner to switch to another voice. Much more enjoyable. A plastic bottle becomes a float that shuts off the water at just the right moment. A wrench comes in handy when planting sweet potatoes. Here's a clever trick involving plastic film that gives your seedlings a strong start. Silvergrass is a perennial plant that can grow over 3 meters tall, and sometimes trimming it calls for a chainsaw. By planting flowers around a tree, this gardener came up with a brilliant idea worth sharing. The description of this video says this hack saves money. What do you think? Here's a clever hack for trimming high branches. With an ordinary pruner, even a rain barrel can blend into your garden's design. If you approach the work with a little imagination, turns out a plastic bottle can make a pretty decent drip irrigation system. Gluing down decorative gravel pieces is a bold choice. Would you try it? With a bit of effort, a pallet becomes a sturdy tool rack. With this tool made from a trimmer and a brush, clearing out strawberry beds gets way easier. Turns out, a pallet is a great tool for preparing soil for a lawn. This simple setup makes your work more efficient, and it's perfect for tasks like fertilizing. No life hack compilation would be complete without plastic. Zip ties wouldn't. This homemade drum is a great solution for sifting soil. Mixed with stones, why not turn an ordinary clothes hanger into a garden tool? This step-style tool makes it easier to drive posts into the ground. Here's how. You can grow both flowers and tomatoes in a single pot. If you use an egg carton when planting, say carrots, you can skip thinning and avoid weeds altogether. An old chair gets a second life as a flower bed. Building a little garden fountain is actually easier than it looks. If your hedge is surrounded by gravel, this trick will save you cleanup time after trimming. With this kind of tether, an ordinary lawnmower works almost like a robot. An unconventional, but interesting way to connect a garden hose to a pipe. With these upgrades, your trimmer can handle tough bushes and the grass between paving stones. Working in the shade is always nicer, so why not bring it with you? A homemade and very creative chicken feeder. These wooden posts set on concrete bases make a beautiful addition to a poolside area. Tea o'clock? Not quite, because we're off to wipe out weeds. A plastic crate, usually used for storing fruits and vegetables, can double as a portable soil sifter. The creator of this video decided to show off several watering systems, using plastic bottles, caps, and even shoelaces. Aloe is a great ally when it comes to propagating plants from leaves. Garden paths, covered with wood shavings, are easier to maintain, since they're less prone to weeds. If you want a healthy, lush lawn, treat it to some aeration, even if it's with a homemade tool like this. Cutting planting holes into plastic film with fire. Spray your shovel with silicone spray. Motor oil or even WD-40 in wet soil won't stick to it. This planting pyramid lets you get creative, putting sun-loving plants on the south side and shade lovers on the north. A unique path made with cement, portions wrapped in plastic. Here's another version of a garden fountain, this time using a horse bucket. This gardener proves that even a small plots can be the perfect place for a round of golf.